And I don't know if people realize this, but when you look at what's called own source revenue, and that means all the money that is spent on roads and streets by our local units of government, after you take away everything they get from state and federal aid, whatever they're having to fund out of their own back pocket, in 2005, the most recent data we have, that was $1.2 billion. Most of that property taxes, $1.2 billion. And to put that into perspective, that $1.2 billion of property taxes, that makes property taxes the #1 revenue source for our local streets and roads. And that's over almost twice as much as what we bring in on the gas tax, which is over about $600 million, and almost 3 times as much as we bring on license tabs. So the stagnant funding in transportation is increasing the burden that we've talked a lot about on this House floor on our property taxpayers and those who can afford it the least. Members, this bill will help relieve the burden on property taxpayers. Again, it's #1 a funding bill, and Representative Leader has done a tremendous job of bringing people together to put together a coalition of support on this bill. And it not only will provide for safer roads and bridges and create new jobs, it will also help relieve the burden on our property taxpayers. And members, I urge strong support for this transportation funding bill today.